The PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves present an innovative solution for anyone needing bright, focused light while keeping both hands free. These gloves are designed with LED lights embedded at the fingertips, allowing users to illuminate dark, tight spaces without holding a flashlight. This feature is especially useful for mechanics, electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers. The gloves come in a stretchy, fingerless design that fits most adult hands comfortably, accommodating a range of sizes thanks to their premium spandex fabric and adjustable wrist straps. The fabric is soft, stretchy, comfortable, and quick-drying, which adds to the overall usability and comfort during extended wear. One of the standout features of these gloves is their practicality. They are powered by lithium metal batteries, with 2 batteries per glove included, plus 4 extra batteries, ensuring long-lasting use out of the box. This generous battery inclusion is appreciated by users who want to avoid immediate additional purchases. The gloves provide bright LED light that effectively illuminates the work area, making tasks like car repairs, fishing at dusk, sewing, or walking dogs in low-light conditions much easier. Users have reported that the brightness is impressive and that the gloves outperform traditional headlamps in many scenarios because the light follows the natural movement of the fingers. The gloves have been praised for their versatility and convenience. They are useful for a wide variety of activities, including outdoor running, camping, hiking, grilling, snow shoveling at night, and working under vehicles. The hands-free lighting allows users to focus fully on their tasks without juggling a flashlight or other light source. This feature is particularly valuable for professionals and hobbyists who often work in dim or confined spaces. The gloves come in a sleek black color and are packaged attractively, making them an excellent gift option for men and women who appreciate practical gadgets. Customer feedback highlights several positive aspects. Many users have gifted these gloves to family members and friends, noting their usefulness and the joy of receiving such a thoughtful, functional present. The gloves are considered a perfect stocking stuffer or birthday gift for dads, husbands, grandpas, and anyone who enjoys hands-on projects or outdoor activities. The inclusion of extra batteries and a storage pouch adds to the product's value. There are some minor drawbacks noted by users. A few have mentioned that the initial batteries installed in the gloves were dead upon arrival, requiring immediate replacement with the extras provided. Some users found that one glove could be sensitive and turn off randomly, and occasionally the LED light on a finger might slip from its lining, requiring adjustment. Additionally, the positioning of the LED lights on the fingers does not always perfectly align with the exact spot the user wants to illuminate, sometimes necessitating twisting the gloves on the fingers for better light direction. Despite these issues, the overall consensus remains positive given the affordable price point and the gloves' functionality. The gloves' lightweight design, weighing just over 2 ounces, ensures they do not feel cumbersome during use. The fingerless style also allows for dexterity and tactile feedback, which is important when handling small tools or delicate tasks. The adjustable wrist straps help secure the gloves in place, preventing slippage during active use. In terms of durability, the gloves are made from premium materials that hold up well under typical usage conditions. However, as with any fabric-based product, care should be taken to avoid excessive wear or exposure to harsh environments that could damage the gloves. The LED components are well integrated and protected, but users should handle them with reasonable care to maintain longevity. The PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves come with a user manual that clearly explains battery replacement and operation, making them accessible even for first-time users of such technology. The brand also offers a 24-month worry-free after-sale service and a hassle-free return policy, which provides peace of mind for customers. Overall, these gloves are a clever and practical gadget that fills a niche for hands-free lighting. They are especially valuable for anyone who frequently works in low-light conditions or needs to keep both hands free while having a reliable light source. The gloves combine comfort, utility, and affordability, making them a must-have tool for handymen, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates functional tech gifts. Users who have purchased and tried the PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves generally express satisfaction with the product's performance and consider it a worthwhile addition to their toolkit or gift collection. If you own these gloves or have experience using them, leaving a review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this useful gadget.